Hello everybody, my name is Louis. I'm from Cooltech AC and Refrigeration. I am here today to do a dryer vent cleaning. Customer complained about her dryer is not working good. I have to start the machine a few times. And that's of course gonna cost extra money with electricity. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna use this top of the line machine. It's called a Beast. It has a brush. We're gonna go inside the duct and put this here. The brush gonna spin and loose all um, the dust and the lint that clogged the dryer vent, and it has a very powerful vacuum here that's gonna take everything. So let's get to business. Okay, so now before we do anything, safety first. Disconnect electric. I have to remove the dryer and get to the duct. Well, as you see, there is something happening here. And by the way, I asked the customer when was the last time she did her vent duct cleaning. She said they did it last year, so let's see what happened over 1 year. Okay, now we're gonna see what's going on inside this duct here. I didn't use the machine yet. Oh God, look at this. So far we didn't use the machine yet, and look at this. That can cause fire, by the way, because we have very hot air going here from the dryer, and this is dry and could ignite and catch a fire. Okay, now we're going in. This is spinning, and this is we have vacuum. Okay, now I'm going inside. Let's see what's gonna come out now. There must be a lot of things went inside already. Big pieces. Okay, this vent duct is about 20 foot long, so we went all the way in to the roof, and it's all cleaned up now. This hose here can go up to 35 feet, so it's very long. No matter how long the duct, we can take care of it. Okay, I like also to vacuum this and make sure nothing inside of it. Inside the machine. Okay. Alright guys, I'm done here. I finished the dryer vent cleaning. It was pretty much clogged. There was a lot of lint came out. There's almost the same amount like this inside the machine. It's already been sucked inside the machine. So that's this service I suggested to be done once a year. Well, thank you for watching my video. Please visit my webpage cooltechac.com. Thank you.